Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to attach a note to a course in the staff portal. It's simple. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview. Notes are helpful in a number of ways. You can create a private note as a reminder or attach a note to a course as an additional resource. Attaching allows for easy access and reference later, streamlining your workflow. Now let's get started. To begin, in the navigation menu, click Tools and select Notes. Make sure you're on the Template tab to access the list of notes. Once there, you can either create a note or use pre-made templates. For now, let's start from scratch. Click the Create Notes button. First, give your note a title. Next, expand the description area by clicking plus Add Description if needed. Now, use the main text area to type the body of your note. Take advantage of the formatting tools. If you need to include any additional resources, click plus Add File to attach relevant documents. When you click Save, the note will automatically save as a template. Now locate the note we just created. Use the search and filter icon if you need help. Once found, click the three-dot menu next to the note, then choose Attach to Course. Next, you'll see a list of available courses. From here, select the course you wish to attach the note to. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking Attach to Course. Once done, your note will be linked to the course for future reference. Each time a student enrolls in this course, the note will automatically be added to their notes list. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.